Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add someone on Snapchat without saying by username. Open your Snapchat tab. Then you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down. Here you can find this add friend option. So tap on it. Now you need to search someone in here. Then you can find similar results for that username. So then you can send request them without saying username. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.